Hey everybody, it's your girl Casey, and let's be real for a second. Ever looked at someone and thought, dang, they just radiate charisma? It's like they've got this magnetic pull, and honestly, who wouldn't want a piece of that action? Well, guess what? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of becoming absolutely irresistible. Get ready to unleash your inner goddess, because trust me, it's there. Before we get started, let me tell you, I wasn't always Miss Confidence over here. Picture this, awkward Casey in high school, tripping over air, saying the wrong thing at the wrong time, basically a walking disaster. I envied those girls who just seemed to effortlessly attract all the attention. I thought, what's the secret ingredient I'm missing? Turns out it wasn't some magic potion or a secret handshake. It was way simpler and way more powerful. It was about embracing my true self, flaws and all. And you know what? You can do the exact same thing. Today, I'm spilling the tea on the 3 game-changing secrets that completely transformed my life. And girl, they can transform yours too. All right, ladies, let's talk about femininity. And no, I'm not talking about rocking pink dresses and obsessing over manicures. Unless that's your thing, then you go, girl, I'm talking about tapping into the powerful force that is your feminine energy. It's about embracing your softness, your intuition, your ability to nurture and care. Think about it. The women we admire throughout history, the ones who moved mountains and changed the world, they all possess this incredible blend of strength and softness. Women are forces to be reckoned with. However, they also lead with empathy, compassion, and grace. That's the magic of femininity. It's about being comfortable with your emotions, expressing them authentically, and creating a space of warmth and understanding around you. Now, don't get it twisted. Femininity isn't about being weak or submissive. It's actually a form of strength, a quiet power that draws people in. In a world that often tells us to toughen up and hide our emotions, embracing your femininity can feel revolutionary. But trust me, there's incredible strength in vulnerability. Allow yourself to be soft-spoken, to listen deeply, to offer a comforting touch. These small acts of kindness and gentleness can have a profound impact on those around you. When you embrace your feminine energy, you're not just becoming more attractive to others, you're becoming more in tune with yourself. You're honoring your emotions, your intuition, your nurturing spirit. And that, my friends, is truly magnetic. Remember, femininity isn't a weakness, it's a superpower. So how can you tap into this superpower? It starts with small, conscious choices. Pay attention to your body language. Unclench your jaw, relax your shoulders, and allow yourself to move with grace. Practice active listening. Really tune in when someone is speaking and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Cultivate a sense of playfulness and lightheartedness. Laugh easily, don't be afraid to be a little silly, and allow yourself to enjoy the simple pleasures in life. Remember, embracing your femininity is a journey, not a destination. It's about showing up as your most authentic, radiant self and letting your inner light shine through. Let's talk about the art of conversation. Nobody's attracted to someone who just stares at their shoes and mumbles one-word answers. Becoming a captivating conversationalist isn't about memorizing cheesy pickup lines. It's about being genuinely interested in the person you're talking to. We're all drawn to people who make us feel seen and heard. Put those phones away, ditch the distractions, and focus on the person in front of you. Make eye contact, ask thoughtful questions, and show you're truly invested. Listening isn't just about staying silent, it's about engaging with their words. Think of it like a tennis match. A good conversation is all about the back and forth. Be authentically you, and let your personality shine through. Relax, be yourself, and remember, everyone loves a good laugh. Now let's dive into the secret sauce, the magic ingredient, the thing that will make you absolutely irresistible: confidence. But not just any confidence, I'm talking about that deep, unshakable belief in yourself that radiates from within. The kind of confidence that makes you walk into a room like you own it, that makes you feel comfortable in your own skin no matter what. Now, let me tell you, confidence isn't about being perfect, having it all together, or being the loudest voice in the room. It's about embracing your authentic self, flaws and all, and loving yourself unconditionally. Because here's the thing, my loves, you are amazing just the way you are. But sometimes we need a little reminder of our own awesomeness, right? So let's talk about how to cultivate that unshakable self-confidence. First things first, let's ditch the negative self-talk. You know that little voice inside your head that loves to point out your flaws and tell you you're not good enough? Well, it's time to evict that voice and replace it with one that's kind, compassionate, and encouraging. Start by practicing daily affirmations. Find a quiet space, Look at yourself in the mirror and say out loud all the things you love about yourself. It might feel awkward at first, but trust me, the more you do it, the more you'll start to believe it. And don't be afraid to get specific. Compliment your infectious laugh, your killer sense of style, your ability to make everyone around you feel comfortable. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's about celebrating your wins, big and small, and learning from your setbacks without letting them define you. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who believe in your dreams, and who make you feel like the amazing, capable woman you are. And most importantly, remember that you are worthy of love, happiness, and success. Believe in yourself, my loves, because you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Go out there and show the world what you're made of. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. Your journey to becoming more attractive is unique to you. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own growth, celebrate your progress, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. And that's it, my beautiful friends. I hope these secrets help you unlock your inner goddess and shine brighter than ever. Remember, true attractiveness comes from within, and you've got it in spades. Now go out there and show the world just how amazing you are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hey, drop a comment below letting me know which secret resonated with you the most. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, stay fabulous, and remember, you are absolutely irresistible just as you are. Bye for now.